Hello guys, today I'm on YouTube and I am going to be doing my remote control car here you guys see today. And we had the Turbo Bells Club right there, guys, and Jeffrey is the cameraman. And also,
yeah, hi guys.
I get with this helmet for launch as well, guys. Okay, so let's begin. Okay. We go in here. Now, Jeffrey, we may have to run.
Yeah, don't worry, I can handle it.
It may be a little crazy because it sounds old. Here's the Turbo Bells Club over there. And it's Timber, it's in Brisbane, guys.
Yeah.
Here's where we are going to be playing.
Yeah. So guys, we're just gonna get a visual on the remote control car. Matt, can you bring the remote control car so they can all see it? Okay. So guys, we're just gonna show you how this thing works. Right? Yeah, Matt, do you wanna open it up and show them how it works?
So,
Do you wanna open it
no.
the thing up? Okay. Okay.
So
Maybe not today, guys. Maybe another day.
Yeah, maybe another day,
Yeah.
guys. It does sound a little slow, you guys do. Yeah, it's off-road.
Yeah, it's off-road though. It's an off-road vehicle.
There's a yellow building up there, guys.
Yeah, that's Boy Scouts. Not doing that today.
And also, over there, there's another
Tumble Bulls Club.
again.
Yeah.
So, I'm going... Okay, so, we will start again. Okay.
Guys, he was just checking the video audio to make sure it's all right.
Yep.
This is all the video audio we can do right now, guys. So if you do complain about that, then we're sorry. It's just we've only got one camera. We haven't got that good equipment.
Yeah, we
so
don't today.
So we will go out shopping on another YouTube video to buy more equipment.
Yeah.
It's just we're not very good at buying equipment right now, so sorry about the audio, guys.
So,
Yeah.
up there.
Okay, Matt, we might need to go back down here
Yep.
because I don't think we're allowed to be around this area.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Nah.
So
This is
here
Boy
on-
Scouts, so
Here's off road. It's going.
oh,
Look how fast it goes.
so guys, if the remote control car stops, then we're sorry about that. It's just that's all we can really do. So yeah.
So,
Okay, guys, we're just gonna show you a few more tricks with this remote controlled car, and then it's gonna be end of video. This isn't enough. Please link in the comment section below if you want to see more of this stuff, and to also subscribe. So definitely do that.
okay. So guys,
Yep.
that's all for today, guys.
Yep.
Thanks very much for watching, guys. And by the
See
way,
you all later.
I'm like near the Turnbull Bells Club.
If you
Like
do
you
live
see
around
there.
this area, you might see us recording another time
Yeah.
here.
If you see us,
It's
but
in Australia.
yeah, so
we've been,
so if you don't
yeah.
live there, you may not. You probably
yeah,
won't
you
be
may
there.
not live around here.
So if you might live in a different country, maybe.
Yeah, so you might
Okay.
not know where it's
So guys, if you guys see me around here, you guys can also talk to me as well
Yeah.
if you guys want. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thanks very
And
much
guys,
for watching.
if you would like to see more videos, please subscribe and leave a comment of what your favorite remote control you've ever had in your life was.
Okay, thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe, please, if you wish. And thanks very much for watching. Say bye to Jeffrey, the cameraman.
Bye, bro.
And also say bye to me as well. Bye, guys.
I'll say bye to the remote control.
And say bye to remote control. Okay. Bye, guys.